Welcome to Introduction to Teaching a Distance Education course. I'm Kim Bates with the Center for Creative Instruction and Technology, or CCIT. In the next few minutes, I'll give you an orientation to this training so that you understand its purpose and what you will need to do to successfully complete it. Let's begin with how to find the course. You'll want to log in to mydtcc.edu using your college username and password. If you don't have this information, contact your department chair. This site is also referred to as the portal. In the green navigation bar, click Courses. On the courses homepage, you will see all the courses that you have access to in D2L, either as an instructor or as a student. You'll want to find the course tile for IDT G01, Intro to Teaching a Distance Ed course, and click anywhere on that course tile. This is the course homepage, where you will see announcements that the course instructors will use to post updates and reminders. From the blue navigation bar, select Content. Content is where you'll spend most of your time. You'll notice that the course materials are organized into 8 modules, which are listed under the table of contents. First is About This Training, Understanding the Course, where you'll learn about best practices in distance education, the learning management system, how you become familiar with the course that you did not develop but you're going to teach, a refresher about copyright, and then a quiz to assess your knowledge of the information in that module. Next, you'll see the module called Successful Start, where you will learn to create your Getting Started module and complete all the elements that should be in there, and how to orient the student to the distance education course. The next module is about creating an effective learning environment, where you'll learn about instructor presence, communication, and classroom management. In the Teach for Diversity module, you'll learn about accessibility and accommodations. You'll learn how to set up and grade and provide feedback in the Provide Grades and Feedback module. You'll learn how to monitor student progress through a course and also student resources. And finally, you'll learn the importance of gathering student feedback and information in order to improve the course for the next time it's offered. You can complete these modules in any order that you would like, although we do recommend following the order that they're listed in the table of contents. Let's take a look at the first module, About This Training. To enter that module, simply click the title from the left-hand table of contents. In this module, there are 4 items, or topics as they're called in D2L. In the training overview, you'll see that this course was developed as an option to prepare instructors who have been asked to teach a distance education course. The assumption is that you will be given access in D2L to a distance course that has been approved. Now your job is to take that approved course and teach it. To move to the next topic in this module, simply use the right arrow. In this module, you'll see a list of all the evaluation measures for this training. These are authentic, competency-based assessments that will provide you with the opportunity to implement the skills directly into the course that you're teaching to get it ready. You can also complete these assignments in any order you wish, although some may make sense to do after the course is completely ready, such as the course orientation. The only time limitation is that you must successfully complete all assessments before you begin teaching a distance ed course. To move on to the next item, we will meet your instructors. If your last name begins with the letter A through M, I am your instructor. And If your last name begins with the letters N through Z, Angelie is your instructor. Your first assignment in this course is to provide some information for your instructors. This is set up as a discussion board, although there's no expectation that you have to reply to one another, but you're certainly welcome to say hi if you'd like to. The next module is actually the first that contains learning opportunities for you. We imagine that the first thing that you'll want to do is to become familiar with the course that has been built by someone else and is now ready for you to put your final touches on and teach. You'll notice that in this module there are 5 submodules. You can tell that these are submodules because the titles are slightly indented to the right and the topics are housed in a separate container on the right-hand view. You'll notice though in all subsequent modules that the first item is an overview and to-do file. You should always begin each module by reviewing the information. It contains an overview, the competency that you'll be working on, and a to-do list to include what the assessment or assessments are. We also provide an estimated time for completing the module at the bottom of that file. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your course instructor. We look forward to working with you.